If you drive a Honda CR-V, you're probably missing out on some game-changing upgrades. Today, we're revealing the best Honda CR-V accessories that boost comfort, protection, convenience, and style. These are the must-have accessories CR-V owners are buying right now. Every product link is in the description, so you can check today's offer price instantly. Let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX 3000A transforms Honda CR-V emergency preparedness with a powerful 3000A jump starter, ultra-fast 65W charging, and a 160 PSI air compressor in one compact unit. Its 16,000 mAh battery, bright 400 lumen safety light, rugged IP64 durability, and cold weather performance make it an essential roadside companion every driver should keep. Number 2. Lamicall lockable car headrest tablet holder delivers premium rear seat entertainment for Honda CR-V users, featuring thick case-friendly grip, foldable clip, reinforced metal rod, and safety lock system. The upgraded extension arm ensures stable viewing, wide 4.7 to 13-inch compatibility, scratch protection, durability, and travel comfort for long USA road trips. Number 3. HHXS car glass breaker and seatbelt cutter 4-pack delivers a compact 2-in-1 emergency escape solution designed for Honda CR-V drivers. Featuring a high-pressure spring window breaker and hidden stainless steel seatbelt cutter. Durable metal build, adhesive mount, and quick 1-second activation enhance safety, reliability, and roadside survival confidence in emergencies. Number 4. Oasser backseat trunk organizer for Honda CR-V delivers premium 600D Oxford durability with 6 spacious pockets, including clear PVC sections for quick access. Its 3 adjustable straps ensure zero sagging, keeping cargo secure and organized. Perfect for clutter-free storage, it boosts convenience, safety, and interior efficiency for everyday driving. Number 5. Coverado seat covers full set delivers premium Napa leather protection designed for Honda CR-V interiors, offering waterproof, stain-resistant, and UV-shielded durability. Engineered with airbag-safe design, universal fit, and easy installation, it enhances comfort, luxury, and long-lasting seat protection for front and rear seats, while maintaining full seat functionality and safety. Number 6. Kayme 6 layers SUV car cover for Honda CR-V delivers premium all-weather protection with 100% waterproof PEVA, reflective aluminum UV shielding, and soft cotton lining. Custom fit ensures full coverage, while windproof straps, door zipper, and mirror pockets enhance convenience, safety, and durability, offering strong value for long-term vehicle protection. Number 7. IIWEY dashcam delivers full 360-degree protection for Honda CR-V, with crisp 1080p recording on all sides, strong IR night vision, and fast 5G Wi-Fi app control. Its G-sensor, parking mode, loop recording, and 128 GB card ensure safety, reliability, durability, and real-time evidence protection. It also enhances driving confidence with continuous smart surveillance. Number 8. Wildroad 500 pounds Hitch cargo carrier set delivers heavy-duty steel construction with 500 pounds capacity, 60 by 24 by 14 design, waterproof 500D PVC bag, cargo net, straps, and foldable hitch mount for 2-inch receivers. Ideal for Honda CR-V users needing extra storage, stability, clearance, durability, and all-weather travel protection on long road trips. Number 9. B&W Trailer Hitches Tow and Stow Adjustable Trailer Hitch for Honda CR-V delivers premium towing control with a 2-inch receiver fit, 5-inch drop, and 10,000 GTW tri-ball system. Built from corrosion-resistant steel, it stows neatly, offers anti-theft security, lifetime warranty, and rugged American-made durability for safe, confident hauling performance. Number 10. Hacyikee Envelope-Style Cargo Net for Honda CR-V 2026-2023 delivers a custom-fit trunk storage solution engineered for secure hauling, featuring double-layer thickened nylon mesh, leak-proof bottom, and high elastic durability. It prevents items from slipping, expands storage capacity, and ensures long-lasting, washable performance for daily travel convenience and safety. Number 11. A premium mud flaps for Honda CR-V 2012 to 2016 deliver durable PP plus TPE construction, no drilling installation, and full front-rear protection against mud, gravel, and salt. Designed for precise fit, they reduce paint damage, maintenance costs, and washing frequency, while ensuring long-lasting performance, weather resistance, and reliable everyday driving safety with included hardware kit. Number 12. PIMCAR 3-piece center console organizer set for Honda CR-V delivers a high CTR upgrade with custom-fit storage, hidden compartment, and ABS durability. Designed for 2023 to 2026 CR-V and hybrid, it features non-slip trays, smart compartmentalization, and easy install. Improves organization, reduces clutter, enhances driving convenience, safety, and premium interior feel. Number 13. NINEDUCK 1680D Trunk Organizer delivers premium 114L capacity for Honda CR-V owners needing structured cargo control. Built with 1680D Oxford fabric, rigid PP panels, water-repellent finish, and anti-sag design, it holds groceries and gear securely. Its multi-compartment layout and strap system enhance stability, durability, and everyday SUV convenience. Number 14. WEIZE 54 by 34 heavy-duty roof rack basket delivers 200 pounds capacity. With durable alloy steel construction, waterproof storage bag, cargo net, and tie-down straps, giving Honda CR-V owners extra secure rooftop space. Easy universal mounting, rust-resistant coating, and low-drag design enhance safety, durability, performance, and long-trip storage convenience. Number 15. The Thenice Glasses Holder Sunglasses Case for Honda CR-V delivers premium ABS build, heat resistance, and smart space-saving design. It replaces the grab handle with a secure storage box, protecting glasses from scratches and dust with soft sponge padding. Easy 10-minute install, enhancing convenience, durability, and in-car organization for everyday driving. Number 16. Active Pet's rear seat cover for Honda CR-V delivers a 4-layer waterproof barrier with 600D Oxford durability, protecting seats from mud, fur, and spills. Non-slip base, seat anchors, and headrest straps ensure safety, while side flaps add coverage. Easy Clean design offers premium comfort, long-lasting protection, and outstanding travel value. And number 17. KUST Black Dash Cover for Honda CR-V 2023-2026 delivers premium UV protection, anti-glare safety, and non-slip silicone backing for stable driving comfort. Its custom-fit polyester design blocks sun damage, hides scratches, and enhances interior durability. Easy install and breathable build improve safety, visibility, and long-term dashboard value. Number 18. LASFIT full-set floor mats for Honda CR-V deliver premium all-weather protection with custom 3D scanned fit, durable eco-friendly TPE material, and full coverage design for seats, cargo, and pedals. Waterproof, anti-slip, and easy clean structure ensures maximum safety, long-lasting durability, and a clean interior, ideal for harsh USA weather conditions and daily use. Number 20. Volcaner Honda CR-V cargo cover delivers premium carbon fiber look protection with a durable aluminum alloy build, waterproof and scratch-resistant finish, and smooth retractable privacy shield design. It installs easily with snap-on fit, reduces cabin noise, and keeps valuables secure with enhanced trunk privacy and everyday practicality. Number 20. Volcaner Honda CR-V cargo cover delivers premium carbon fiber look protection. With a durable aluminum alloy build, waterproof and scratch-resistant finish, and smooth retractable privacy shield design. It installs easily with snap-on fit, reduces cabin noise, and keeps valuables secure with enhanced trunk privacy and everyday practicality. Number 21. KUST Windshield Sunshade for Honda CR-V delivers a precision custom fit with double-layer 250T reflective polyester for maximum UV and heat blocking. It reduces interior temperature, helps AC cool faster, and protects dashboard durability. Foldable, easy install, and strong insulation make it a smart, high-value comfort upgrade for USA drivers. Number 22. Koarigo Roof Rack Crossbars for Honda CR-V 2023 to 2026 deliver heavy-duty 300-pound load capacity with premium aluminum construction, anti-theft locking, and low wind noise design. Easy snap installation supports bikes, kayaks, and luggage, offering durable, secure rooftop cargo expansion with professional-grade stability, value, and everyday travel convenience. Number 23. Oasser microfiber leather steering wheel cover delivers premium grip, anti-slip control, and all-weather comfort ideal for Honda CR-V drivers. Its durable stitch design, heat-resistant protection, and snug 14.5 to 15-inch fit enhance safety, reduce hand fatigue, and elevate interior style, while ensuring long-lasting performance, easy cleaning, and confident daily driving. Number 24. ZippoKicks backrest mats deliver a precision-fit protective upgrade for Honda CR-V, crafted from premium TPE for odor-free durability and all-weather resistance. Engineered to block mud, dirt, and spills, they preserve rear seat condition effortlessly. Easy clean surface, exact fit, and long-lasting protection make interior maintenance simple and reliable. Number 25. Sailigo in-channel window rain guards for Honda CR-V 2023 to 2026 deliver a precise in-channel fit with ultra-durable polycarbonate construction, blocking rain and wind while allowing fresh air circulation. They reduce fogging, odors, and noise, offer tool-free installation, long-term highway stability, and all-weather protection for safer, more comfortable driving experience.